Okay, so we're gonna make spicy pickles. We start with these Vlasic kosher dill pickles, and we're gonna slice those into chip size bites. So a little bit thicker than hamburger deals, you know. In this video, let me give you a disclaimer. Look over those glory greens. I have no idea why they're in this house. We can cook, and ignore my nails. Anyway, we chopped up all the pickles from the jar, as you can see, or sliced them rather. And we're gonna keep that juice because we're gonna need that to top off the pepper juice. So we put the juice in a separate container for storage for right now. This jar is an old jar that I had. As you can see, I've demolished those, but we're gonna take those peppers out of there and we're gonna top off the jar when we finish. Now, I could easily get already sliced jalapeno peppers, but I like to make things difficult. So I get the whole ones. I slice them up always, also in that chip type style. And we're gonna pour the juice from the peppers into the pickle jar, because that's what's gonna give it the spice, as well as the pickles and the seeds and everything. And then we're gonna slice up those peppers. Look how beautiful, look at the beautiful job that I did. Yes, thank you. And if you didn't know, we're gonna take those onions and carrots that are also in that can, and we're gonna put that into the pickle jar as well, because those are so good. Alrighty, so this is just another shot of the old jar, and I'm just kind of telling you, hey, those are going in there, just wait for it. And we're gonna start putting the pickles and peppers inside the pickle jar, and we're gonna just kind of layer it and take turns doing it. Of course, I would have a bigger layer of pickles down there, but I'm just basically showing you that you're gonna layer it in there. So just, you don't want too much of one thing at one time, basically. Okay. Ooh, those pickles look so good. I love pickles. I don't know about you guys, but I love pickles, and I love them when they're spicy. And I've already dumped. See, I've already finished it off and everything. Put everything in there and topped it off with the old peppers and threw that jar away. See, the pepper juice has risen because of the displacement. And we're going to top it off with the residual pepper juice. The pickle juice we didn't forget. It's going in there, baby. See, there we go. And then all we have to do is just place a lid. But look at the beautiful layering there. The seeds floating around. You know, it's going to be good and spicy. Those carrots, everything. Oh my God. Sit this in the refrigerator, let it marinate a little bit, and they're going to be so good. Enjoy.